Guys, we're gonna give you some tips and tricks for digging. If you have never dug through stone or sandstone or really hard rock, go ahead and take your pilot bit off. The pilot bit's gonna be the first thing to stop it. If you have your pilot on and it just stops digging like in rock like that, it will wander all over the place. So try to get a pilot hole dug with a roto hammer or whatever else you have. We've got a generator out here with a roto hammer and a rock bar. And so what we did is we dug a hole about 6 inches deep, and that will contain the auger because it has no pilot and will kick around all over. But the actual pilot bit is what's stopping it most of the time from actually digging, because a 4 to 6 inch pilot or 3 inch pilot has to go through the stone first. And if it does not go through the stone first, your teeth will never hit the surface you're trying to dig. So what I figured out over the last 20 years of digging holes is if you take that pilot out, just go ahead and get all your holes kind of close. If they stop at 6 inches or a foot, dig all your holes on the entire job, and then pick all your problem holes in the end. Take your pilot off and stick it in the hole. And now, we couldn't get this hole down at all, except if we had a roto hammer with the pilot on, so we removed it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna watch and see how aggressive this is in this hole now. So let me adjust here a little bit. Now let's watch what this thing does to this rock. And it's that rock right here. This whole sandstone. Look how aggressive that is now. It turns into powder. Look at this. So basically just turn this stone into dust. Just turned it into rubble. I mean, it just disintegrated it. Yeah, we couldn't get a couple inches with that pilot on. I think your auger's bad or the ground is horrible, but look at that. Just got those carbide teeth right in there and just chewed that up. Now those teeth can really work. There's your tip for the day. Hopefully it saves you from running a jackhammer, core drilling, doing rods and epoxy, or trying to flange post. See you in the next video.